Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, does Google Photos save videos? Firstly, I recommend you to open Google Photos application, and after that click at your profile icon at the right top and make sure that you enable backup. If you're not, just click at the turn on backup here, or you can scroll down, go to the backup and click at this slider if the slider have colorful empty background. Okay, we just enable backup and now let's record some video. So let's do this. Okay, we have it for 3 seconds and now let's check. Yes, we have it in the gallery. Yes, we have it. And yes, we have it in the Google Photos. And now, as you can see, we have this video. So, my short answer is yes. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.